Welcome back to the 30 days Excel formula challenge. Today is day 3 and we are learning the switch formula. Don't type manually morning, evening and night such that morning is time consuming and time wasting. I will show you better Excel formula that's called switch formula. So apply switch formula. Just select shift code, comma, adding value, first M, double quotation, comma, full name, morning, comma, double quotation, next, night, double quotation, close, open, night, full name, comma, double quotation, evening, double quotation, close, comma, evening. Simply drag and drop. Now you can see that E stand for evening, night, morning, evening. Please like and share.